I'm here today to tell you some hard facts about smoking. The average age that kids start smoking in Wales is 11, maybe some as young as 9. Don't you think that's a terrifying thought? Tobacco is the #1 cause of preventable death in the UK. Preventable means that you don't have to smoke. It's your choice whether you smoke or don't smoke. Tobacco kills more people than car crashes, illegal drugs, AIDS, murders and suicides combined. That is an amazing statistic. A lot of diseases and accidents are not preventable. They just happen. Tobacco does not just happen. Tobacco kills 1 person every 6 seconds worldwide. In Wales, there is more than 1 tobacco-related death every 2 hours. That's 12 people every day that die in Wales due to an illness brought on by smoking. Think about that if you're ever tempted to light up. Tobacco companies spend over £8 billion. That's £8 billion every year on marketing and advertising to persuade you to kill yourself and others around you. Think of what you could spend that money on. Clothes, anything you wanted to. In the 2 minutes it takes for you to brush your teeth, the tobacco industry spends over £32,000 on advertising. In the hour you spend watching The X Factor, the tobacco companies spend nearly £1 million promoting their cigarettes. That's a hell of a lot of money, don't you think? Smoking is like taking drugs. It's highly addictive, and once you start, it's very hard to stop. So the answer is don't start at all. Obvious, isn't it? Every puff of cigarettes contains 4,000 different chemicals, including ammonia, which is used as a toilet cleaner, arsenic, which is used as rat poison, and formaldehyde, which is used to preserve dead bodies. Unfortunately, formaldehyde does not preserve bodies that are still alive. It kills them instead.
Nearly a quarter of the population smoke. That means that 1 in 4 people in Wales smoke.
Smoking is to blame for 1 person dying every 2 hours. Yes, that's right. 1 person dies every 2 hours because of smoking. Think about it.
Many forms of cancer, heart disease and lung diseases that can kill you are linked to smoking.
Nicotine, the drug inside the cigarettes, is highly addictive. Once you get hooked, it's very difficult to stop.
Smoking makes your hair, clothes and breath stink. So if you want to get up close and personal with someone and you stink of fags, your chances are pretty slim.
Smoking limits the amount of oxygen in the blood, therefore lowering your energy levels. This means that you can't run as fast or for as long. This affects all sports, in particular athletics, rugby and football. So if you smoke, you won't be winning the Grand Slam for Wales.
Smokers live 10 years less than everyone else.
Smoking turns your teeth and fingernails yellow, so if you don't want to smile like a zombie, don't smoke. Especially if you only brush your teeth for a few seconds a day, like some people I know.
Smokers live 10 years less than everyone else.
People who smoke will spend more of their lives in hospital. So, if you smoke, I hope you like cold bed baths and lots of painful injections.
Nearly half the people in Wales that die in house fires are house fires that are caused by smoking. Secondhand smoke, which is the smoke that smokers breathe out that you breathe in, has got more than 250 chemicals known to be poisonous to humans and that causes cancer. One of these is cyanide. Cyanide is one of the most dangerous poisons known to man. People who smoke 20 cigarettes a day spend over £2,500 on cigarettes every year. That means if you didn't smoke, you could save all that money and you could just enjoy life, instead of sitting at home being a Billy No Mates, smoking yourself to death. But if you do smoke, there is still hope. Nicotine replacement therapy, which are the patches and chewing gum that help you stop smoking, are freely available at any pharmacy to anyone over the age of 12.
To find out more in English or Welsh about giving up smoking as well as further information, visit the following websites or call any of the numbers on screen. NHS Direct Wales on 0800 169 0169 or Stop Smoking Wales on 0800 085 2219. There's always someone on the other end of the line to help.